Want to bring the excitement of a game show to your classroom? Introducing Classroom Wheel Game, the perfect Wheel of Fortune style game for Google Slides. It's a great way to get your students engaged, working in teams, and solving puzzles, all while learning. Classroom Wheel Game is incredibly easy to play. Start by splitting your class into teams. Once the game is loaded, each team takes turns spinning the wheel and guessing letters in the puzzle. For every correct letter, teams earn points based on where the wheel lands. For example, if your puzzle has 2 Gs and the wheel lands on 7,000 points, the team gets 14,000 points. Players can also buy a vowel for 250 points. But watch out, there's always the risk of landing on bankrupt and losing all your points. If a team thinks they've solved the puzzle, they can guess the answer. If they're correct, you can reveal the letters one by one. The game rules are flexible, so you can decide how to play. Points can be assigned to the team that solves the puzzle, and they carry over between rounds, so there's always a chance for a comeback. Classroom Wheel Game is perfect for fostering teamwork, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Whether you're teaching spelling, vocabulary, or just having fun, this game makes learning exciting. Now let me show you how easy it is to set up Classroom Wheel Game for your lessons. Start by creating a blank presentation, then go to the settings screen and choose from one of our pre-made puzzle templates. Next, copy our pre-made Google Sheets template and enter your game details, like team names, puzzle answers, hints, and wheel point values. Once you're ready, attach the Google Sheet to your presentation and click Import. The extension will generate all your puzzles for you in seconds. You can also customize the sound effects for the wheel spin, letter reveals, and other game actions. Installing Classroom Wheel Game is a breeze. Click the link in the description to head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Click Install and follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Once installed, you'll find Classroom Wheel Game in the Extensions menu of Google Slides, ready to go. And don't forget to refresh Google Slides to ensure everything loads perfectly. Here's a bonus for you. For a limited time, we're offering a free pre-made template with puzzles to get you started. This template includes a 7-day free trial of the premium features that come with the game. You'll be able to create new games and enjoy all the premium features as if you have a subscription. Click the link in the description to download your free Classroom Wheel Game template and give your students a fun and unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so you'll be notified when we release more free templates and games for your classroom. Keep spinning that wheel and making learning fun. See you next time.